fine day. Let me see. Which story should I pick?
Headmistress, Mr. Sherlock Holmes is here. He says he needs to ask something of you.
Perfect timing. I can ask something of him also.
This is beneath my brilliance.
Go for it. Children, please give a round of applause and welcome our storyteller today, the great detective, Mr. Sherlock Holmes.
Must I? Really?
Good morning!
Actually, all of my detective stories are written by my good friend, Dr. Watson. Please welcome the brilliant storyteller, Dr. Watson. Don't you dare leave me alone. I couldn't find a more brilliant mind.
What do you think, Detective Riller?
I've got it figured out. Mystery solved. Case closed.
Not so fast!
What is this all about?
Isn't it obvious, Detective? The killer is still in this room. And it's him!
Story time! Story time!
Children, give a round of applause and welcome our storyteller today, the great detective, Mr. Sherlock Holmes.
Is it possible you could help Katie find her father? Mr. Holmes, I heard a rumor.
What have you heard?
What is that?
What have you heard?
What is that? Someone's peddling jewelry near the riverside in the East End.
Oh, the mark of White Storm.
I don't understand. He was a model inmate, due for release in a year. Why break out? He might be out of your league.
We shall see. It's him. Have you seen anything suspicious?
I don't follow.
What about Scarface?
Brilliant deduction. Mack is busted out of jail.
What? I'll escape and make him pay.
What is that? When I heard Mack had escaped, a mystery man began to donate large sums of money every year. I knew it had something to do with Katie.
I have a feeling there is something you're not telling me.
Reasonable enough.
Oh, this is my new dress!
You wait until the moment is just right before the big reveal. So what is it?
It was tough work. The evidence is irrefutable. Here's my deduction. Well, we meet in person at last.
You are the great Detective Sherlock Holmes.